genetics term was given by William Watson. The term genetics was given by William Watson, and William Watson, also known as father of modern genetics. William Watson, known as father of modern genetics. Morgan, father of experimental genetics. Morgan was known as father of experimental genetics. Carroll, father of human genetics. And biochemical genetics. First time discovered inborn metabolic error. Known as L-captonuria, known as black urine disease. Now we have three metabolic errors. Inborn metabolic errors are three. Phenylketonuria, you know. Second is alkaptonuria, that I will explain you right now. And third is albinism. Albinism. Right? So alkaptonuria in that alkaptonuria is caused by small recessive genes. It is inborn metabolic error since birth. This metabolic activity is affected. So here what? what happen? Generally, if the person has no alkaptonuria, so in healthy person, what happen? Homogentisic acid is converted into acetoacetic acid. Homogentisic acid is converted into acetoacetic acid with the help of homogentisic acid oxidase enzyme. Generally, in healthy person, homogentisic acid is converted into acetoacetic acid with the help of homogentisic acid oxidase enzyme. But here, in alkaptonuria patient, this enzyme is absent. Fine? In alkaptonuria patient, this enzyme is absent. So, homogentisic acid is accumulated in CSF and blood. So it is present in the urine. It is present in urine. By coming in contact with air, urine becomes black in color. That's why it is known as black urine disease. And another point, so homogentisic acid is accumulated in the CSF as well as blood. So that homogentisic acid is now filtered out in the kidney in presence in the urine. And if this homogentisic acid containing urine can be coming in contact with the air, it becomes black in color. That's why it is known as black urine disease. And homogentisic acid is also known as alkaptone. That's why here the word is known as alkaptonuria.